SolidWorks Drawings, Best Practice Alternate Position View. Welcome to the 3D Mechanical Design channel. In this video, I'll show you how to display two different mechanism positions or two-part configurations in a single drawing view. In my example, we'll show a hydraulic cylinder in two positions, retracted and extended. We'll use the cylinder as our example. First, we need two assembly or part configurations. As you can see, I've already created three configurations for this cylinder. Cylinder 160 mm to 400 mm, free piston rod movement. Retracted rod. Extended rod. If you'd like to see how to create these configurations, let me know in the comments and I'll make a separate video. Now let's create a drawing. Drag the correct view from the view palette onto the drawing sheet. This gives us the view with the rod in the retracted position. Next, we'll use the alternate position view tool. If you're wondering where to find it, go to Insert, Drawing View, Alternate Position. Click Alternate Position View, and a window will appear. In that window, select Extended Rod. Now the extended rod position will appear over the first view as dotted phantom lines. All that's left is to add the dimensions and finish the drawing. And that's it. A simple way to use the alternate position view tool in SolidWorks to overlay another configuration or moved position of an assembly or part on the same drawing view, usually shown in phantom to illustrate motion or a second position. If you enjoyed this video, leave a comment, like it, and support the channel. New videos every week, so don't forget to click the bell. Thanks for watching.